Hi, everybody. I'm Savannah Hill, and I'm from Denver, Colorado. I'm currently the reading intervention teacher at a school in Keensburg, Colorado. It's about 30 miles east of Denver. This is my first year in that teaching role. Prior to that, I taught third grade for 3 years at the same school. And then, if you include all of my subbing experience, I've been in education for about 9 years or so. A goal for mine over this next year is to just learn to be a better teacher for my students and be able to use things that better serve my students in their learning and help them become the best learners they can be. And having a degree in instructional technology would really mean a lot to me, and it'd be a huge accomplishment. I'd be the only one in my family to have a master's degree, and I would feel more confident in my teaching styles and my teaching abilities, and I feel like that would just make me be a better teacher all around. An area of a strength for me is that I love collaboration, and I think that it is the best way to be a teacher, and I'm all about pushing the collab. I feel like some of the teachers here are sick of me going in being like, hey, can we plan a lesson together? And then I also really do enjoy exploring new technologies, and I'm not afraid to go out and search for things that I need. But on the same sense, that's also an area that I need to improve in. Is a lot of times I find free apps and I use them because they're free and I think they'll be good, and they don't necessarily work out, but I use them for a while because I can't find anything else. And I would describe instructional technology as being able to use engaging technologies you can implement into your lessons to help your students learn. And I also think instructional technology goes with finding age level and appropriateness of the apps that you can use in order to benefit your lesson, not just use technology as your lesson. So I look forward to learning with all of you in this course, and good luck to everybody. Thank you.